Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn off Mac notification sounds. So the first step, or in this video, I will share with you multiple ways to turn off your MacBook notification sounds. So for the first step is a app specific method of turning off notification sounds. So click on this little Apple icon, go to System Settings. Then here look for notifications. This is it. Click on it. And here for each application, or you can turn off notification per application. So let's say that, for example, the Google Chrome, or let's look for something that is annoying. For example, the reminders. For example, let's say that the reminders notification sound is too loud for me. Click on it, and here play sound for notification, and check this option. So now no more sound for notifications will play. Specifically for this reminders app. You can redo the same thing for the other apps by going back, select the app, for example, this app with this weather app, and do this. For this, it is all the notification are disabled, so you can enable it and then disable the notification sound. The second way to turn off the Mac notification sounds is by using the focus mode, also known as do not disturb mode. How I turn on this focus mode is by hitting the focus button that I have on my keyboard, which is the F6 button on the top line of the keyboard. When I hit the focus mode, it is enabled. And how I know that the focus mode is enabled? As you see here, the date and time is grayed out. This is focus mode turned off, focus mode turned on. And with this focus mode, no notification sound will play. Another way to turn on and off this focus mode is by clicking this control center icon, and here select do not disturb. Now turn it off, now turn it on. And you can select between this focus mode for an hour until tomorrow morning, and you can specify this in the focus settings. Let's open it. This is the focus mode settings, focus start. Let's let's show you the keyboard focus mode button, and this is the button I am talking about to turn on and off the focus mode. As you see, this is its icon. It is the F6 button next to the previous button F6, or above the button, the 6th number button. The next method to turn off your MacBook notification sounds is by lowering the alert volume. So how to do this? Click on this little Apple icon, System Settings, go to Sound, and here next to Alert Volume, use the slider to either turn it off completely or turn it a little bit lower. And this is how to turn off your MacBook notification sounds in the easiest ways. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.